Hello everyone. Today's topic is if I were millionaire. Do you want to a millionaire? Yes, everyone want to a millionaire. Everyone want to buy all luxurious things. And and also I'm also want to millionaire. Not only a millionaire but also billionaire. But on my feet, on my struggle, on my hard work, I want to not only millionaire, not but also billionaire. If I if I will millionaire, if I will millionaire, I will buy all luxurious things which I ever seen, which I want, and also I would buy all things which my parents want, which my family want. I will buy there, and I will also share my I will also my share my earning, or I will also donate my earning earning to poor people. I will I will I will open school colleges for quality education, education, but in affordable fees, we know because we know free work has no value. Yes, I will in that way I will earn something. I will earning my earning is keep growing, and quality education will provide to student. And I will also open hospital for quality treatment for in affordable price, because we are see because we are seeing in COVID-19 pandemic efficiency of efficiency of bed of our for our population, for our patient, efficiency of oximeter oxygen of our for our population. Yes, that yes, I will open hospital for quality treatment. And I also would I would like to open a restaurant also, because of for food, for the poor people can't uh, can't take food, can't eat food for morning or dinner also. I will give I will give food, not free not free. Give some effort, give some charge of that food. Yes, I would like I would like to give some I would like to provide some in employment to our student. As we see, unemployment is happening in this situation, corona pandemic situation. In this pandemic, we are seeing in mostly second wave of COVID-19. We are seeing we are seeing all all we are seeing we are watching all in this lockdown. All all people stay home and they do not have job. They lost their job. I would like to open industries for providing a job to those students which do not have job. They have poor. In that way they will effort and they will I will give and for I will give fee on that work. I will give fee on that work. Yes, I would like to open industry like drug industry to provide quality drug for poor people, all people for in low price, because as we see in this pandemic, some drugs are rich rich as bigger value, but poor poor people can't afford to can't buy this drug. Yes, I will provide a drug with minimum price, and I would like to open my new drug industry. Yes, this is my view on this topic. I will meet you in next video in with new topic. Thank you.